Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and navigating to Customize, Basic Info. You need to be signed in and have channel ownership, so make sure you see the Customize button. Once there, locate the links area. This is where your external URLs live. Add concise display text first because viewers read short labels faster. You'll paste the full URL next. Do this step now. It sets the foundation for where links will appear on your channel page. Now you add each link and arrange its order. Click Add Link, type a clear title, and paste the complete URL. This tells YouTube what to show and where it goes. Once links are added, drag them into the order you want. Remember, the top two often appear on your channel banner, so prioritize. Make sure to save after rearranging. You're doing this so visitors find what matters most quickly. Test each link to confirm it opens the right destination. Finish by clicking Publish so changes go live. This applies the links to your channel page immediately. Then view your channel as a visitor because the channel owner view can differ. If links don't appear on the banner, verify you saved and that the URLs are valid. Sometimes a trailing slash or typo breaks them. When problems persist, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window, then re-enter and publish again. This usually resolves most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.